Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the EXP flasks are for in Plants versus Brainrots. Basically, you're going to trade in your plants. Well, you're going to extract the EXPs from your plants here. So convert plants to EXPs. You'll need 5 plants in order to do so. I've done that already, and I have this flask here. And you may ask, girl, what is it for? Also, what is going on? Okay. You might ask what it's for. Basically, you're going to go to a plant, and now there's levels to the plants after the update. So, for instance, you want to up the level of a plant, you can take out your flask and you can click your plant, and it's going to give your plants XPs, as you can see. But honestly, you can just leave it and just have it AFK, and it's going to go up by itself. But I don't know, it's up to you if you want to do it. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.